Hello students, in this video we will discuss about our next exercise 4D. So let's start exercise 4D. So question number 1 is given, if x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0 and x cube plus 4y cube plus 9z cube is equal to 18xyz. Then find the value of x plus 2y whole cube whole square by xy plus 2y plus 3z whole square by yz plus 3z plus x whole square by zx. So here is given x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0. Now you have to find out the value of this. So right here, now x plus 2y whole square by xy plus 2y plus 3z whole square by yz plus 3z plus x whole square by zx. So which values are given? X plus 2y's values is given. So if you find out the value of x plus 2y from here, you will get minus 3z. So you can write here in the portion of x plus 2y minus 3z. So minus 3z whole square divided by xy plus, so instead of 2y plus 3z, you can write here minus x. So minus x whole square by yz, and instead of 3z plus x, you can write here minus 2y. So minus 2y whole square by zx. So if you calculate it, you will get 9z square by xy, x square by yz plus 4y square by zx. So if you do the LCM of these three numbers, the denominators, you will get xyz, and which number multiply with xy, you will get xyz, that is nothing but z. That z you have to multiply with this numerator, so you will get 9z cube. And which number multiply with yz, you will get xyz, that is x. So this x you have to multiply with x square, you will get x cube, and here is y, 4y cube. Look, these values are given, 9z cube plus x cube plus 4y cube value is given here 18xyz. So just put it 18xyz, and below of this there is xyz. So just cancel out xyz, you will get 18. So 18 will be our answer. Now go to next one. Now let's see question number 5. So question number 5 is given, if 2x square plus 1 is equal to 5x, then find number 1 x minus 1 by x, number 2 x cube minus 1 by x cube. Now let's start. So here is given 2x square plus 1 is equal to 5x, and if this x comes this direction, this will be division happen. So x square plus 1 divided by x happen. and if these two go to that direction, this will be again division happen. So 5 by 2 happen here. So if you break it partwise, this will be x square by x, it will be x, and 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x happen, it will be 5 by 2. Now from here you have to find out the value of x minus 1 by x. Now x plus 1 by x is given, you have to find out the value of x minus 1 by x. So what to do? So we know one formula about it. We know that x plus 1 by x whole square minus x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4 ab happen. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, this will be 4ab happen here. So a is here x and b is here 1 by x. So x will be cancel out here. So this will be x plus 1 by x value is given 5 by 2. So just put this value 5 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by x whole square. This will be 4. So if you calculate this one, you will get 25 by 4, and here is x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4. You have to find out the value of x minus 1 by x. So keep it same side, and left of the number keep it another side. So x minus 1 by x whole square, it will be 4. 25 by 16 happen. So x minus 1 by x whole square, it will be nothing but 9 by 4 happen. So x minus 1 by x will be plus minus 3 by 2 happen, because if anything comes out from the root over, it will be plus minus happen. Okay, so x minus 1 by x value is, one is 3 by 2, another one is minus 3 by 2. Clear? Now go to question number 2. Now look, x minus 1 by x values are given here. We already found 3 by 2. For using this value, we have to find out now x's cube minus 1 by x's cube. So take x as a and 1 by x as a b. So you can use here a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube formula. So what is a cube minus b cube formula? That is a minus b whole cube minus 3ab into a minus b here. So a is represent here x and b is represent here 1 by x. So but we already found x minus 1 by x two values. One is plus 3 by 2, another one is minus 3 by 2. So for taking the value when x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 by 2, then what happened? Then x's cube minus 1 by x's cube, it will be x minus x whole cube, taken here 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 whole cube minus x will be cancelled out, and here is 3 left, and x minus 1 by x value is 3 by 2. So it will be, here is 27 by 8 and here is 9 by 2. So what is the LCM of 8 and 2? It will be nothing but 8. So which number multiply with 8 will get 8? That is 1. So this one you have to multiply with 27. And which number multiply with 2 will get 8? That is 4. So this 4 you have to multiply with 9. That is 36 happen. So if you subtract 36 minus 27, you will get here 9. So 9 by 8 be your answer. Now when x minus 1 by x is equal to minus 3 by 2, then what happened? Then x's cube minus 1 by x's cube, it will be minus 3 by 2 whole cube minus 3 into minus 3 by 2. So it will be minus 27 by 8, and here is plus 9 by 2. If you calculate it, you will get minus 9 by 8. So we got x cube minus 1 by x cube, two values. One is plus 9 by 8, another one is minus 9 by 8. Let's see another question like this. Question number 9. So question number 9 is given here. X is equal to 1 by x minus 5. From here you have to find out the value of x square minus 1 by x square. So here is given x is equal to 1 by x minus 5. So just reciprocal in both sides, you will get 1 by x is equal to x minus 5. Then x minus 1 by x, it will be 5 happen. For using this formula, you have to find out x square minus 1 by x square. So if you break this formula, x square minus 1 by x square, you will get x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x already given. Now we have to find out the value of x plus 1 by x by using this one. Now, so we know that x plus 1 by x whole square minus x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4x into 1 by x. So x will be cancelled out. So you have to find out x value of x plus 1 by x. So just put these values because x minus 1 by x value is given. So this will be 25, 5 square it will be 25, and here is 4 left. Now x plus 1 by x whole square, it will be, if this one go to that side, this will be 29 happen, and x plus 1 by x is equal to plus minus root over 29 happen. Now you have to find out the value of x square minus 1 by x square. You know the formula a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So you can use here this formula. A is represent here x and b is represent here 1 by x. So a minus b into a plus b. So we know both the values. X minus 1 by x, the value is given 5, and x plus 1 by x, the value is given plus minus root over 29. So just multiply it, you will get plus minus 5 root over 29. Clear? Now left of the problem in exercise 4D, you can do in your, try to do in your home. Thank you everyone.